Millennials na. Magpapahuli ba tayo sa uso? I decided, why not learn how to vlog? Pag successful, passive income. A friend of mine told me, kailangan may joke. Time to learn something new. Pero wag puro joke. Isa sa bagay na kailangan nating seryosohin ay ang pagbili ng camera for vlogging. In this video, we are going to showcase the best vlogging camera per budget category. And we are going to give few tips in buying. Up next. Welcome to Jutma Zone. This is Albert, your jack of all trades, master of some, helping you decide what's worth for your bucks and less time. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Disclaimer number 1, this video is not sponsored. Number 2, there are other shops and brands. Number 3, this is a local review. Jumping into the video, below 27,000 pesos, that goes to GoPro HERO9, which is also the best portable action camera. It has 5K 30 FPS. In slow-mo, it has 240 frames per second at 1080p. Great for action, but not for photos. Its best feature is its horizon lock, which means the camera's rotation will not affect the captured video, which also means if you are on a bicycle and if the camera wobbles, or even spins, the video is not affected. Amazing! For moto vlog, bike vlog, extreme travel, action vlog. This is a no-brainer. The best camera choice. Coming below 39,000 pesos is the Canon M50, and the upgraded Canon M50 Mark II is below 45,000 pesos. Take note, you need to buy additional lenses for these. Canon M50 is great for photos. It has flip screen at the side, it has great autofocus, it's a mirrorless camera so you can buy newer lenses for this. The Canon M50 Mark II is just the better version. It includes eye detection, it can connect to Wi-Fi, it's great for streaming with HDMI at 1080p. Still not great for 4K because of huge crop and it's just 24 frames per second. The next on the list is Sony ZV-1. It's 41,000 pesos less. The lens is attached to the camera so you do not need to buy other lenses, but you can buy a wide angle adapter. It's super light, it has flip screen and it can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. It can shoot slow-mo at 960 frames per second. I think it's the best for budget camera. Next is the Sony a6600, coming at 54,000 pesos less. It's the best APSC camera, great image stabilization, subject, eye, and face tracking. It can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. All the features of the Sony ZV-1. Only that it's mirrorless so you need to buy lenses for this, meaning additional expense, but there's more potential depending on the lens you buy. No record limit, meaning it records until the memory card is full. If you want me to give 3 best lenses for this, comment down below. If you find value in this video, hit thumbs up. Last on the list is the Sony a7 III, less than 106,000 pesos. It has all the features of a6600. It's a full frame sensor, meaning better low light performance and better quality of photos and videos. It has dual card slots and better buttons and dials. So that's it. In summary, if you don't want to spend, you can use your phone. If you are into action, choose the GoPro HERO9. If you are satisfied with 1080p Full HD, go with Canon M50 or Canon M50 Mark II. If you want 4K resolution without changing the lens, choose the Sony ZV-1. If you want to shoot better 4K video and also change the lenses, choose Sony a6600. If you have the budget, choose the Sony a7 III because it's the best. If you want to purchase online, I will place the link in the description below. Whether in doubt in online buying, Shopee Mall and Lazada Mall is also a great option if the price is right. If the store has diminishing or few stocks, they might sell it to you at a lower price. Purchasing online is more expensive than going to the actual store. In consideration to the distance and time you travel, you might be able to save if you purchase in the actual store. What is your camera of choice? What do you plan to vlog? Kindly comment down below. What camera did I choose? What can I say to the camera that I bought? Hit subscribe to be notified and I will be posting the camera that I bought. I'm also going to include where to buy it cheapest and where I bought it. See you guys in the next video.